Welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all: aging. It's not just about gray hair or birthdays. How you age depends on your choices and habits. Are you helping your body stay young or speeding up the clock without realizing it? We'll reveal 8 subtle signs you might be aging badly. Signs most people overlook. These go beyond wrinkles. They're deeper signals from your body. Stick around, because after these signs, I'll share practical tips to help you age better and feel your best. Let's get started. First up, persistent fatigue. If you find yourself dragging through the day, struggling to keep your eyes open, or feeling like you're running on fumes, you're not alone. This isn't just being tired after a long day, it's waking up exhausted no matter how much you sleep. You might even feel like you never truly recharge, no matter how early you go to bed, or how many hours you spend under the covers. Chronic fatigue signals your body isn't recovering or repairing well, a major red flag for aging. It's your body's way of waving a warning flag, telling you that something deeper is going on beneath the surface. It could mean your metabolism, hormones, or even your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses in your cells, are struggling to keep up with your body's demands. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress can all drain your energy reserves. Skipping meals, eating processed foods, or sitting for long periods can make things worse. Fatigue can also point to issues like thyroid problems, anemia, or sleep apnea, conditions that often go undiagnosed but have a huge impact on your daily energy. When you're always tired, you skip exercise, crave sugar, and your mood suffers, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. You might notice you're more irritable, less motivated, and even start to withdraw from activities you once enjoyed. Don't ignore this check engine light. Your body's trying to get your attention before things get worse. Instead of masking it with caffeine or energy drinks, investigate the root cause. Quick fixes only provide temporary relief and can make the problem worse over time. Addressing fatigue with better sleep, nutrition, and stress management can help reverse the trend. Small changes, like a consistent bedtime, balanced meals, and mindful movement, can make a big difference. If you're running on empty, it's time to act. Don't wait for things to spiral out of control. A well-rested body is a sign of healthy aging. When you wake up feeling refreshed, you know your body is working as it should. Listen to what your body is telling you and take steps now to restore your energy and vitality for the long run. Let's talk about your skin, the body's health billboard. It's the largest organ you have, and it's constantly sending you signals about what's happening inside your body. Every day your skin is exposed to the world, and it reflects not just your age, but your habits, your environment, and your overall well-being. Wrinkles are normal, but rapid, dramatic changes aren't. If you notice your skin changing faster than usual, it's worth paying attention. These changes can be your body's way of alerting you to something deeper going on. Noticeably thin, crepey, or sagging skin can signal poor collagen production and accelerated aging. This might mean your skin is losing its strength and elasticity faster than it should, which can be a sign of underlying health issues. Excessive sun, smoking, and poor diet speed up this process. These habits break down your skin's natural defenses, making it more vulnerable to damage and premature aging. Sudden, deep wrinkles or age spots, especially in unusual places, may point to internal issues like dehydration or chronic stress. Sometimes these changes can even be early warning signs of hormonal imbalances or nutritional deficiencies. Dry, flaky, or dull skin. That could mean you're lacking essential nutrients or hydration. Your skin needs vitamins, minerals, and plenty of water to stay healthy and vibrant. Your skin reflects your lifestyle, what you eat, how you protect yourself from the sun, and how you manage stress. Even your sleep and exercise habits show up on your skin's surface. Don't just reach for expensive creams. Look at your habits. True skin health starts with the choices you make every day, not just what you put on your face. Improve your diet, quit smoking, use sunscreen, and manage stress for healthier skin. Small changes can make a big difference over time, helping your skin repair and renew itself. Healthy skin starts from within. When you nourish your body, your skin will thank you by looking brighter, smoother, and more resilient. If your skin is changing fast, it's a sign to take action. Listen to what your skin is telling you, and don't ignore sudden shifts. Treat your skin as a report card for your overall health. It's a visible reminder to care for your body from the inside out. The best beauty treatment is a healthy lifestyle. When you take care of yourself, your skin will naturally glow and reflect your inner health. Losing muscle isn't just about looks, it's about your independence and health. If everyday tasks suddenly feel harder, you might be losing muscle faster than normal. This loss, called sarcopenia, raises your risk for diabetes, falls, and slower metabolism. Sedentary living and low protein intake are the main culprits. Less muscle means less strength, balance, and resilience. Simple tests like grip strength or standing from a chair can reveal early muscle loss. The good news? Muscle loss is reversible at any age. Start resistance training and eat enough protein to rebuild strength. Don't ignore weakness. Act now to protect your future. Building muscle is one of the most powerful ways to slow aging. It's never too late to get stronger. Use it or lose it. Literally. Your strength is your foundation for healthy aging. Occasional forgetfulness is normal, but frequent memory lapses are a warning sign. If you're missing appointments, repeating questions, or struggling to follow conversations, your brain may be aging poorly. Memory decline can signal issues like inflammation, poor blood flow, or even early cognitive impairment. Diets high in sugar, inactivity, stress, and lack of sleep all speed up brain aging. Early intervention is key. Don't ignore these signs. Support your brain with a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, mental challenges, and quality sleep. If memory issues persist, get checked for reversible causes like vitamin deficiencies or medication side effects. Your brain can adapt. Neuroplasticity is real. Take these signs seriously and act early. Healthy habits can protect your mind as you age. Don't brush off forgetfulness. See it as a call to action. Your brain health is in your hands. Losing height isn't just about posture, it's a sign your bones may be weakening. Shrinking more than 1.5 inches or losing height quickly points to bone loss or osteoporosis. Compressed spinal discs and tiny fractures can cause you to shrink and develop a stooped posture. Weak bones increase your risk of fractures and loss of independence. Bone loss accelerates with poor diet, inactivity, and, for women, after menopause. Combine weak bones with muscle loss, and the risk multiplies. Track your height yearly. If you notice a drop, act fast. Weight-bearing exercise, calcium, and vitamin D are crucial for bone health. Don't ignore getting shorter. See it as a warning. Early action can prevent serious complications. Strong bones are key to staying active and independent. Your skeleton needs your support. Noticing more bruises, or bruises that linger. It's a sign your skin and blood vessels are aging. Thinner skin and fragile capillaries make bruising more common as you age, especially with sun damage or high blood pressure. Frequent large or unexplained bruises can also signal nutritional deficiencies, especially vitamin C and K. Some medications like blood thinners can make bruising worse. Easy bruising is a visible marker of vascular aging and can reflect deeper health issues. If bruising is new or worsening, review your medications and diet. Protect your skin from the sun and eat nutrient-rich foods. Don't ignore sudden changes. Check with your doctor if you're concerned. Your skin is telling you something important. Take bruising seriously as a sign to improve your health habits. Prevention starts with awareness. Healthy skin and vessels mean healthier aging. Declining oral health is a major sign of poor aging. Receding gums, loose teeth, or persistent bad breath aren't just dental issues, they're linked to inflammation throughout your body. Gum disease increases your risk for heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. Tooth loss leads to poor nutrition and accelerates muscle and bone loss. Dry mouth, often from medications, raises your risk for decay and gum disease. Poor oral health can also affect your confidence and social life. Regular dental checkups, brushing, and flossing are essential anti-aging tools. Don't ignore bleeding gums or loose teeth. See your dentist. Your mouth is a window into your overall health. Address oral issues early to protect your whole body. Healthy gums and teeth support healthy aging. Take oral health seriously. It's more important than you think. A healthy smile is a sign of a healthy you. Losing your sense of taste or smell isn't just inconvenient, it's a warning sign that something deeper could be happening in your body. These senses are closely linked to your brain and nervous system, and changes can be an early signal that shouldn't be ignored. When food starts to seem bland, or you find yourself reaching for more salt and sugar just to taste anything, it's more than just a minor annoyance. It can affect your appetite, your enjoyment of meals, and even your overall nutrition. Over time, this can lead to poor nutrition or unhealthy eating habits, as you might crave stronger flavors or turn to processed foods to compensate for the loss. A rapid decline in these senses can sometimes signal neurological aging, or even be one of the earliest signs of diseases like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. It's important to pay attention to these changes, especially if they happen suddenly or worsen quickly. Your sense of smell also plays a crucial role in keeping you safe. It helps you detect dangers like gas leaks, smoke, or spoiled food, things that could put your health at risk if missed. If you notice a sudden or significant loss, try to rule out common causes like allergies, sinus infections, or side effects from medications. Sometimes, these issues are temporary, but persistent changes deserve attention. If nothing obvious explains it, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can help you figure out what's going on, and it could be an early clue to deeper health issues that need attention. Keep your senses sharp by engaging them every day. Smell fresh herbs, try new foods, and pay attention to subtle flavors and aromas. This not only keeps your senses active, but also makes meals more enjoyable. Don't ignore these changes. They matter for your safety, your nutrition, and your overall health. Even small shifts can be important. Early detection and action can make a big difference, helping you address problems before they become serious. Your senses are vital to your well-being, connecting you to the world and to the people you love. So, pay attention to what your nose and taste buds are telling you. They might be sending you an important message about your health. There you have it, 8 subtle signs you might be aging badly. Recognizing these early gives you the power to make positive changes. Aging is inevitable, but how you age is up to you. Don't panic. Many of these signs can be improved with lifestyle tweaks and medical advice. Every healthy step you take matters. Share your experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more tips on healthy aging. Stay alert, stay healthy, and see you next time.